What you're watching right now isn't real. No film crew, no actors, just pure Dreamina magic. AI sorcery that turns imagination into motion. And yes, it's free but limited, like moonlight before dawn. Dreamina is CapCut's newest AI creation suite, powered by Seedance 1.0, the same model that fuels TikTok's cinematic AI videos. It can take your words, your art, even your characters, and make them move, breathe, and come alive. Let's go step by step through how I built this Halloween world, using Dreamina's free but limited tools. This scene introduces our first character, the witch. She's mysterious, alone, and the only source of light in the dark woods. Describing elements like fog, lantern, and thunder helps Dreamina build tension and realism. Words like cinematic lighting and ultra-realistic control, the camera tone and visual depth. In seconds, Dreamina turns that line into a full cinematic shot. Camera moves, shadows, atmosphere, and our witch walking through the fog. It's free but limited daily, with credits that refresh every midnight. The wolf, silent, loyal, and watchful. Here, the prompt focuses on motion and environment. Mentioning the camera direction, pan from behind, adds perspective and makes the scene cinematic. Fog and reflections bring the illusion of natural movement to a still photo. Dreamina breathes life into the wolf. Rippling water, misty air, glowing moonlight. All free but limited, giving you daily magic to experiment with. Want this exact setup? You'll find the prompt in our community link below. This is the vampire, our central character. Elegant but deadly. The slow zoom builds tension, while fog and candlelight set gothic mood. Mentioning specific motion like eyes open gives Dreamina narrative timing. This completes the transformation. The vampire is awake, composed, and eerily human. Using the same vampire tells Dreamina to keep consistency in features, while camera pans emphasize drama and elegance. Together, both clips form a cinematic mini-story, a vampire rising from death to dine by candlelight. All free but limited, so plan your scenes wisely before the clock strikes midnight. This test focuses on lighting, realism, and depth. Dreamina interprets flashing through stained glass as dynamic color shifts, something Veo3 often struggles with. Adding a walking character helps measure fluid motion. Veo3 looks clean, but Dreamina's atmosphere feels alive. Richer light, smoother movement. And again, it's free but limited for everyone to try. This avatar represents the spirit, your AI storyteller. Simple poetic phrasing gives the voice emotion. Dreamina then syncs lip movement, tone, and lighting automatically for a hauntingly realistic monologue. With just one script, Dreamina turns words into a talking ghost, ideal for Halloween stories, shorts, or eerie narration. So that's Dreamina, an AI suite that lets you build entire stories. The witch who walks in fog, the wolf who guards the river, the vampire who awakens in silence, and the spirit who speaks through your screen. It's free but limited. Your creative credits reset every midnight. Use them wisely, or make another account to keep your nightmares alive.
If you want every prompt from this video, plus bonus Halloween setups, join our community through the link below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.